What is up, guys? Welcome back or welcome to January, which is a New Year reset, and it's centered on all things you. So we're gonna be doing things for you, investing in you, and loving on you. So today's actually New Year's Eve, is 31st of December. And for today, what I usually do on New Year's Eve, you guys, is a cleaning session, really and truly, of my apartment space. I just feel like going into the new year, I always want my apartment place or where I live to be clean, clutter-free, fresh, and just so I can have that open mind and feelings of something brand new. I mean, it's the same apartment, but it's just something new in the sense of everything is where it needs to be, in its place, and we can move forward in our year with that mindset. We're gonna be doing a little bit of cleaning, of course, and then I want to also clean out my fridge. I don't think there's a lot of like food to throw out, but obviously just wiping it down and everything. You guys saw in yesterday's episode, I actually did like my grocery shopping, so I should have actually cleaned it yesterday, but I wanted to save, I guess, this part for now. So we're just gonna backtrack a little bit, which is totally fine. First, I do want to get started with laundry, just because we can start a load and get into the cleaning bit of everything. And later, I'm gonna be just meal prepping for a couple days in the week. I will say, you guys, so I've done this for the last probably 4 years or so, or was it like, no, 3 years now, where it started of 2020 of COVID. And well, no, it's 4 years, because I did that 2019 actually, New Year's Eve. This will be the 4th year of my like general deep cleaning, and I've done TikToks on this. I have just done it because, again, I just rather having that refreshed space, that feeling of when you walk in. So the focus is really, I just want to wipe down, you know, surfaces, countertops, make sure my things are dusted off and clean. And I do want to say, I encourage you guys, if you haven't done any sort of like deep cleaning, what I will say, guys, is at least do some sort of cleaning throughout your week, because it happens where my space does get super cluttered, and that clutters my mind. I feel very unorganized. I just feel disheveled when it happens. So doing a little tidy up throughout your week, like probably midweek, Wednesday, Thursday, whenever you just have a chance, is gonna help your mindset so much, you guys. I'm not even kidding, because I just feel so much better when that happens. So 2 things I would recommend is that, you know, weekly tidying up throughout your space, and then have a routine for your deep cleaning. So if you want to do it once a week, every, you know, 2 weeks, whenever your schedule allows you to just have that freedom to clean and really just get in there nitty gritty, I do recommend that for you. So let's get to it and get started with the laundry. basically am done cleaning up my apartment. You guys saw I finished doing the fridge, and then I just washed up a couple of dishes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my meal prep for probably just 3 days, you guys. Honestly, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So yesterday you saw I bought the groceries like I was telling you guys earlier, and I did season up some of my chicken, and it was just waiting on me to air fry it. Then I'm gonna do some like red potatoes, just season them up a little bit in the oven and have that with a salad, and that's gonna be my dinner for the next couple days for the new year. And I think I've already found like a really good balance of the meals that I eat, balancing it with lots of greens and vegetables and that sort of thing, or some grains and beans. And what I tend to do is, obviously potatoes, they're like, oh, it's carbs, it's starchy, whatever. So I kind of fluctuate in between eating sweet potatoes or just regular potatoes. And I've been eating sweet potatoes for like the last week and a half, so we're gonna have a little sweet potato, well, we're gonna have a little regular potatoes for the next few days, just so I'm not feeling that I'm craving things that I'm like, oh, it's bad for you, but it's just in moderation, guys. Everything literally in moderation. So I'm gonna stick the potatoes in the oven, and I'll probably just see you guys once the meal is done and wrap off our little video for January. And I just want to tell you guys this little pointer: apart from having a clean space, feed yourself nourishing foods, you guys. I'm not saying this for myself, but from a part of what I did for my internship was about nutrition and health and that sort of thing. And you feel so good when you actually have fulfilling, healthy or semi-healthy meals, you guys. Just try to incorporate here and there something that is good for you and is gonna give you a lot of, you know, fiber, nutrients, vitamins, all those good stuff, but keep you full. Because yeah, the worst thing is eating something really good, really delicious, and then an hour later you're starving like you never had food for the last day and a half. And that tends to happen with me in fast food. So that's why I don't really have it that often. I kind of treat it like a Friday thing. Not every Friday, honestly. Sometimes I just come home and cook something. So it's definitely just moderation, like I was saying, and just finding balance with your meals. It's something that was kind of instilled in me from a very young age, because my mom was always like, have salads, have greens as a side dish, that sort of thing. And just cooking options, you guys. If you always eat fried foods, try baking or grilling something. Air frying it tastes just as good. So yeah, I'm gonna stop running my mouth. I feel like I'm just preaching to you guys, and it's really not the case. But I did just want to tell you guys, you know, feed yourself the best, because you deserve the best. That's all. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into another episode of JanYOUary, as we continue on this journey of exploring you, investing in you, and doing all things loving on you. Stay tuned tomorrow for an all new video, and until then, bye guys.